So from childhood doodles to a growing portfolio of captivating artwork, today we're meeting a 24-year-old artist who transformed her love for animation into a vibrant creative career. She's joining us this morning to showcase her work and her journey. This is Shania Waul, digital pixel artist and animator. Good morning.
Good morning.
So good to have you here. Congratulations, you're like a 24-year-old powerhouse. Like, girl, look at you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Not only is your portfolio amazing, but you also have a store.
Yes.
Tell me about the store.
So I have a store named 9 Lives. I have t-shirts and keychains made by me with my art. So like I'm wearing right now.
I love that.
And I love to focus on like landmarks and stuff with references to Jamaica and the Caribbean. So, you know, just not have just slap on Jamaica, just have like some designs that people would like to wear outside of just Jamaica Day, and they're pretty chill.
9 Lives.
Yeah.
Is that because you're a cat girl?
Yes.
Oh, love that. I was a cat mom until my cat ran away 2 months ago. But I'm not going to get stuck.
I also had the same problem. I had a cat previously. Her name was Haley. Unfortunately, she passed away, but I have her to my heart.
Charlie ran away. You have to tell me after how you cope. So tell me a little bit about your early life and how that kind of made you into who you are. This thing is in your family's DNA.
Yes. So my mom is a casual painter and my dad, he's a musician. So he very much encouraged me.
A casual painter?
Casual, like she just paints on it like her own. But mostly, if I remember, my father actually encouraged me a lot, also as a creative. And my community also, Vineyard Town. I come from Vineyard Town. Hi, Vineyard Town.
Hi, Nephew. One of your peoples is here.
Yes. So I pretty much, a lot of them encouraged me. They were like, oh my God, you're the next big animator. A lot of them kept on referencing Disney. So, but yeah, I also had a neighbor who was very much into animation, like anime, cartoons, video games. And I pretty much just said, all right, let me start drawing. I think I started drawing a lot of like Hello Kitty. I was really obsessed with Hello Kitty
Hello
as a kid.
Kitty. Oh my God. Wow. Purely self-taught.
Yes.
No training.
Training later down.
Yeah, we're going to talk about that. But in the early days, like this is coming out of you as a gift. Wow, wow, wow. And so when did you say, wait a minute, Shania, me like this for myself?
Yes.
When did you realize this could actually be a thing?
I think it was mostly around high school, actually. I saw an article in the Gleaner with, trying to remember Danielle, her full name, but I remember I saw her get a scholarship for South Korea for some animation thing. And I was like, oh my God, wait, this can actually make money. So that's what went through my head, actually. And then I remember I talked to my art teacher about it, and he was like, you actually have a lot of potential to venture into this.
So tell me how the training came now, and what did you do?
Well, basic CSEC art training, you know, like to follow like themes and follow like a story. So mostly he was like representation, which I strongly believe in.
Yes.
Yes.
So some of your images earlier, Black people.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, strongly feel.
Yes.
Yeah.
I strongly have a passion for that, basically. So I really like to have representation, Black representation in animated or just like, you know, film, which hopefully later on I can have bigger projects regarding that, animations or so. And I also worked on video games. But
Fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and there's also working on upcoming ones and all that. But I think later on as training, I got a little training from UTech, from some certain lecturers and everything. And they always strongly advise, which I really appreciate, to have representation. Yeah, like as a little girl, especially when I saw Tiana on the screen, Princess and the Frog, I was so excited.
So why you don't apply for one of those foreign, to go to one of those foreign and study? Although our programs here are so sophisticated, and UTech particularly, when it comes to these kind of skills, are innovating in a very major way. We see big folks here doing big things in animation. Kenya Mattis, good morning to you. Listen Me Creative. But what is the ultimate dream, and how do you want to shore up your talent so that you can go to where the ultimate dream is?
I think my ultimate dream is basically something, well, to develop the industry in Jamaica. That's my ultimate dream, because I see a lot of potential in Jamaica with a lot of animators and artists. And I guess my ultimate dream is to have some animations or some video games under my belt that also represents Jamaica in a way.
How do you talk about Disney?
Yes, yes, I guess later on if I develop my portfolio even more and even have more education regarding that, then yes, that would be one of my goals.
So tell me a little bit about how long has the store been open and how has that been going?
I think it has been open from 2021 to 2022. I started, it was a little idea with my sister. So we were just like, what if we actually have like my art on like t-shirts and keychains, so it's like gifts, you know, to have a little profit, but also it was just for fun. Before that, I actually used to sell at anime conventions.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so I was selling in high school actually. So later on, I was selling like with just random arts and everything. But then I was like, let's follow a theme and actually have some like something going on with it.
You have a big market now, because anime in Jamaica is blowing.
Yes,
up.
A lot, actually.
Is your work popular amongst the...
Yes, very.
Really? Wow, Shania, that's incredible. So you're going to keep the store open, but you're looking to get a deeper foothold into the industry, with the gamers, with the creation of games, and eventually to have your own film or two.
Or my own thing.
You're working on.
Yes, and hopefully even a physical store for, hopefully.
Yeah, that's fantastic. What say you to other kids who have this as an area of passion and just don't think it can go anywhere? What do you want to say to them?
Well, I first started off as having it as a fun or like even as a casual thing. I personally don't think, you know, you should just be let down so quickly. You can find other ways. There's different art forms. You may not be good at like digital art. You may not be good at like traditional. You may be good at crochet, like even jewelry, everything. There's always a different form that you'll be good at. And pretty much you can also join some art groups. Like like Acrylic Moon, Dream Dust. There are groups with Jamaican artists and they're pretty chill, great advice. They give great advice and there's so much over like, every time I have a conversation, I'm like, why didn't I think of that? Yeah. But
very importantly, that your passion can make you money.
Yes.
Yeah, so parents, when you hear your children talking about something that them just can't let go off of because it's buried like in here, push them in the direction of their dreams, because then the world becomes their oyster. Proud of you, girl, eh?
Thank you.
Just keep going, Pinky. Take over the world. Just find a brain and it's all good. Shania Waul. Digital. Oh, yeah, Shania brought me something.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
I brought you a keychain.
Shania brought me a keychain. Let me show you the keychain. Who's going to catch it? Vince, is you or Soldier Man? So she didn't know that I have a cat, or had, because Charlie ran away.
No.
This is beautiful. Is me that on the keychain? Is that on me? No. Must at me. She actually set and posed for this, guys, and she did a render of my...
Very real.
Not. Thank you very much, my love.
Thank you.
And I was digital pixel artist and animator. And coming up next, we're going to hear exactly how Jamaica's national anthem came to be. Soon come with that.